Description of cleaner for iron tip. The HU-200 is equipped with a brush-type cleaner for iron tips as a standard option. The brush-type cleaner is capable of clean removal of not only residual solder remaining at the iron tip, but also of carbide flux that used to be difficult to remove by the air type. Removed solder stays inside the cover, and the splashing solder ball to the outside is also prevented by the splashing prevention sheet. The dedicated mounting base allows fine-tuning of the brush position as well. You can select the cleaning setting from the startup screen to open the settings screen. Two types of settings for the air type and brush type can be set to allow instant application when the air type is lined up. Here, the brush type is set. Using a joystick, the iron tip is positioned to the position at which it contacts the brush at first. Select the start point and select Set Current Position. Input the time for cleaning. Use the joystick to change the direction for positioning one more time, since some shapes of the iron tip cannot completely remove solder at once. Select the end point and select Set Current Position. Input the time and rate for cleaning. Inputting the Z-axis retract coordinate allows shortening travel distance without raising the iron tip to the home position coordinate after cleaning. It leads to improving the takt time. You can set 5 types of cleaning patterns. At the time of setting the soldering program, the pattern corresponding to the task is selected. Pressing the Operation Check button allows checking the actual operation. The operation is in the order of start, end, and then start points. Let's see the actual movement.